Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Roblox not opening from your browser. Now what I did to fix the issue is you can see I have Roblox right here, and to open up any game, from the browser, what you need to do is you need to first clear your browser's cache and cookies, okay? And the way you go about this, you come here at the top right, click on these three dots, right? And then you come here where it says delete browsing data. I want you to click on it. Now, just make sure you have selected cookies and other site data, cached images and files. Delete it for all time. Click on delete data. That usually fixes any glitches. But otherwise, if you had, installed any browser extensions for Roblox, go ahead and remove those. So the way you do that, you just right click on that extension, click on remove from Chrome. Okay, make sure you do that. That usually should fix your issue. Otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.